Hello everyone. Today we will know the summary of the short story The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. It is a very famous short story that deals with the life and problems of the artists. In this story, Johnsy and Sue, they are the two young girls. They belong to the men in California. They had met at the table at hotel of an English street Dolmicos and found their tastes in art, chicory salad and bishop sleeves so congenial and started a joint studio. They started living together in the colony of artists located in Greenwich Village. This belongs to the district of Washington Square. Its streets have sun crazy and broken themselves into small strips called places, where hardly any bill collector for parts, paper, and carbon could reach. One day, Johnsy fell sick. She was caught by pneumonia. The doctor said that she has less chance of survival because she herself was not willing to live. He asked Sue to know her mind if she know any desire of her to be fulfilled. She knew that she wanted to paint Bay of Naples someday, but it appeared silly to him. There was one old man, Behrman. He was failure in art. He hardly could earn to meet both ends. Since 25 years, he had not painted anything. He liked on working as a model for those artists of colony who could not afford a professional to pay. Sue goes to him to ask him to tell that Johnsy is laid down with pneumonia and he has to pose for commercial drawing. Johnsy was caught by a strong belief that she will die when the last leaf of ivy vine goes away. Outside her window there was an old ivy vine. Its leaves were falling swiftly. She used to count back them. The vine was also caught by cold. Hence, she identified herself with the vine and was convinced with herself that she will also go away with him last leaf. With the last leaf. Behrman also disliked this idea and said that he will paint a masterpiece and we all shall go away. This happened true with him. On Sue's saying that what will happen to her after she has gone. Johnsy began to revive her lost courage, but the next day Behrman caught pneumonia as he had gone out in cold rain and all his clothes were wet or all his clothes were wet. He was taken to hospital where he breathes lost. This was told by the doctor, but he had painted the masterpiece before his left the world, and the last leaf left how gone earlier than him. So the story ends with a note of pathos blended with irony. Art survives, but artist goes away at allotted hours and in laid down manners. So this is the summary of the short story, The Last Leaf. If you like this story, please like, subscribe and share and do comments. Thanks a lot for watching the video.